Hey, Will from PPC Coach. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook ads. Now, there's a lot of videos on YouTube that go over this, but none really give you like the high level view of exactly what you're doing or how these things connect. So that's what I'm going to do in this one, a little bit different. So let's start with what you need first. Okay, that's this baby right here. And this, oh, let me get rid of that arrow, is called a business manager. So you need a business manager. And to get it, you go to business.facebook.com. Okay, that'll get you your business manager. And once you have your business manager, then you can start creating things like your page, which you're definitely going to need. Let's do this. Let's call this our Facebook page. You have to have a Facebook page in order to run ads. Okay, there's no two ways about it. So let's go here. Let's move this over. So your page is where your ads run. Your business manager controls your page. Okay? Let's go to here. Oops, wrong way. Get rid of that maybe. There. So there you go. You have to have business manager to control your page. Your business manager also controls your, probably even more important, your ads manager. Your ads manager is your dashboard. That's where you go in order to run your ads. I don't know why I keep putting this stupid arrow on it, but as well, your business manager will control your pixels. So let's put these in here too. So your pixels, we'll give those a different looking thing. Let's make it look like, I don't know. Maybe we'll make it the same. Let's call this your, and pixels are what you use in order to track. So again, everything is controlled from the business manager, right? So let's move that over. There. So you've got this open. Now you can create a Facebook page. Now you have an ads manager. Now you can do Facebook pixels. So now how do you actually run your ads? Well, now over here, you have a sales page. And this is where your product is. This is where you want to send traffic, right? So how do you get traffic here? Well, it comes from your ads manager. Oops, that's not the right one. So your ads manager is where you set up your ads, and they go to your sales page. Okay, so that'll make sense. Your sales page is like your own website where you want traffic from Facebook to go. So it's controlled through this, which is controlled through this, and your ads actually show on this. So your ads themselves show on your Facebook page. So let's do that too. Let's do an ad. Why don't we do something like this? So this is an ad. And that is controlled from, well, the ad actually shows on your Facebook page. But your ad points to your sales page. Hope this isn't too confusing, but it can be confusing because I remember the first time I went to go set up an ad and I was like, all right, so I want to run an ad. What do I do? Well, I need an ad. So I need like an image or a video and need some text and I need a place to send it. So I had that. And then I'm like, okay, how do I create my ad? Well, I need an ads manager in order to create the ad. But where do I get an ads manager? Well, I have to have a business manager in order to create the ads manager. But I can't even run an ad unless I have a Facebook page. So my Facebook page is where the actual ad shows and the actual ad points to my sales page. Confusing, right? Then throw this in, pixels. So now my business manager allows me to create Facebook pixels, which allow me to track my my conversions. So that a conversion can be somebody who viewed your page, somebody who added to cart a product or service, someone who initiated a checkout, and someone who actually purchased something. So I mean, the biggest thing we want from the Facebook pixel is we want it to track purchases so that we know exactly which ad and which ad set within which campaign actually got the sale. So the ads manager is where all your campaigns sit. And within a campaign, you have an ad set, and within the ad set, you have an ad. Okay, so there is a lot of moving parts to this. It's not something simple to do, but most videos that you look at on YouTube just show you like the nitty gritty, but they don't really pull back and go, okay, how are these all connected? Now, there's even a little bit more that you can do within the business manager. Like you can create audiences, like lookalike audiences. You can create audience of people who already bought from you, and you can exclude those from your ads too. So say you're selling a coffee mug and somebody bought it. Well, you don't want to show that coffee mug to that person again, right? You'd rather not. You'd probably rather show it to new people only. Or say you have like a coaching program or a course, and you don't want to show it to people who already bought your coaching program or course because that's a waste of money. So in that case, you would exclude them from your campaigns. So that's where your business manager comes in. The other use for your business manager is if you have employees or you have an agency that's running accounts for you, they're going to want access to your business manager so that they can run it in your ads manager using your pixels and your page and creating ads under your account. So that's the way it works. That's a high level view of how to create Facebook ads. I haven't seen a video like this, so I thought I'd do something a little bit different for you guys. I mean, I can sure go into detail on everything. In fact, if you guys want to see details on any of these aspects of how to create Facebook ads, let me know, because I've got a ton of training on this. I've been doing this for a long, long time, created well over 5,000 campaigns, and spent over like 1.2 million so far on Facebook ads. So if you have any requests, post them in the comments. Subscribe, hit like, and also visit the site and visit the group, ppc-coach.com, and then ppc-coach.com/group. All right? Have a great day. We'll see you.